there because...
Oh, okay. And then it's a topless car wash is $5. Okay.
Because you look like a dirty boy. Exactly. Right here.
Okay, cool.
And we're going to go take our cloth off. We'll be right back.
Great.
How you doing, sir? Real nice that you brought this car in for us. We're trying to make a little money.
To the rear and take a ride. Bye, guys. I get the cute one. Oh, how dare you. You're the cute one. And we're going to come back with songs on. Exactly. Just for you guys. Do they have songs or not?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll be right back.
Dang, where'd they go?